Academy. Today we'll be looking at Google Plus. Now, as long as you have a Gmail account, you should be able to sign into Google Plus. Google Plus is similar to our other social media websites. So you can also go to Play Store or Google Play and download Google Plus. Now, we're already signed in, but we are going to check out Google Plus. Now, there are options at the top. So you have an application similar to the ones that we download, like for Facebook and Instagram. We can download that web application on our mobile phone. Now we are going to select only that privacy setting, only you. So this is only going to be viewed by me. There is, or I could choose anyone if I was willing to basically share it with other persons. Now there is a name. I can edit it because I press the pencil to do my editing. I want my name to appear with a capital letter, not a comma letter, because it just took this from my right. And I'm going to say save, and I'm going to come out of that option using the arrow, and I'm going to say that I wanted to put up a picture. If I wanted to put up a picture, I would select that, and I say add picture, and it would say select a picture from, select a photo from your computer, and this will take you straight to your phone. Right, we're not going to be adding a picture today. So it says, it gives your agenda. You can make changes. You can also choose the privacy setting that you'd want. There's also your birthday. You can choose a privacy setting. The email address, you can choose the privacy setting. We don't want to verify that today. You can add other contact details. Let's check it out. Phone number, email address, chat username. You can add things about yourself, your occupation, your work history, or your education history. And that's just all about Google Plus, right? So we would have added that information, and then we would have proceeded to explore Google. So this is a little area where you can manage your account. Well, this is Google Plus, and let's go back outside. So that's my password is even there. Let's go to about me, right? And there we go. So this is just a review of Google Plus. And if you were to download the application, let's try to go to our application where we could find it on Play Store. So we were to go to Google Plus on Play Store. We would come here, there's Google Plus, and then we would see it, and these are persons' comments on it, right? Right, and then there are screenshots so we can look at it. So this is what it offers when you download the application, right? Let's find another screenshot. Look at this. So it has a collection feature on it, I guess the areas that you have interest in. And then look at this, is communities of people around things you love. So these are based on whatever interests you have, and it takes you to the various segments. And see, this person has interest in cooking, so they would have access to that. So about this app, there's just more information, and it's considered a social application. As I told you, it is for social networking, or what we call a social media website. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about Google Plus after you'd have explored it. Let me try to install it and see what will happen. Alright, so it's easy to install, but I'm going to cancel that installation. It's almost there. It's not canceling, however, that's fine. Now remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the applications that we explore on a daily basis, and give me your ideas. Thanks for watching.